is Nathalie Poblete. So for this video, I will be showing you two recipes, one for snack and one for drink. These recipes are really healthy, they're really good for you. But first, I'm going to discuss about the different ingredients that you will need to make these recipes. So for my main ingredient, I have chosen avocados. Avocados are one-seeded fruit. Avocados are a great source of vitamin C, E, K, and B6, as well as fiber and potassium. They also provide beta-carotene and omega-3 fatty acids. The next ingredient is bananas. Bananas are one of the best fruit sources of vitamin B6 and potassium. It is also good for the heart, and it can also lower blood pressure, aid digestion, and help beat gastrointestinal issues. Bananas give you energy, minus the fats and cholesterol. The next ingredient is honey. High-quality honey is rich in antioxidants. It helps suppress cough, and it is a healthier alternative to sugar. The next is canned tuna. It can be a good source of heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids, and it is low in fat. The next ingredient is milk. Milk is a rich source of calcium and vitamin D. The last ingredient is onion. Onions are a good source of vitamin C. Onions may support the building and maintenance of collagen. Collagen provides structure for the skin and hair and makes them look really healthy. So now you know all about the ingredients, let's start.